What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot the slow charging issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all use the appropriate charger and cable from Samsung company. So if you are using a fake charger or a normal charger, then avoid using these chargers. So when you will use the appropriate charger and cable, it will charge your battery faster. But if you are still facing same problem with the charger and cable, then enable fast charging. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on battery. Now here scroll down and click on charging settings, and here you will see a fast charging button. So if your battery is charging very slow, then you can turn on this button to charge your battery faster. Now the third solution for your this slow charging issue is check the port. So if there is dust and other particles in the charging port, then clean your charging port, and after cleaning your charging port, the slow charging issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and then click on this power icon. Now here click on restart, and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. So sometimes restarting your phone can fix small software glitches. So I hope these solutions can fix your slow charging issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.